Hey y'all, Instinct Survivalist coming again with another Two Tip Tuesday. This time again from, as you can see, the Jeep. Anyway, hey guys, this time very quick again. Just a couple of things to think about and talk about. First and foremost, first aid kit. You need one of those. It may be that you're just adding Band-Aids and that's fine, but you also need to determine, do you have enough supplies to rescue the people in your vehicle? So mine all hold five seat belts. That's the way I count it, which includes myself. Do I have enough supplies to take care of that? Then you have to decide, am I going to stop and help others if there is a need? Me, yeah, that's just in my nature. It's just the way I do things. So I have enough to not only take care of the 5 that are in the Jeep, if there are 5, but if I needed to also stop and help others. So I've got enough for probably at least 7 in that kit. It's not a huge kit. It does mount to the rear roll bar. It does have Band-Aids, so when we're out and about, and chapstick. We'll get into the huge medical benefits of the chapstick that I actually use in another time, maybe doing a regular Two Tip Tuesday. So there's that one. And then secondly is a method of lighting fire, starting fire. This is the Exotac TitanLighter I'm trying out. Thanks Chris over there. This is pretty freaking awesome, just by the way. Yeah, uses the same fuel as a Zippo lighter, rechargeable, refillable, if you will, windproof, waterproof up to 1 meter, actually 3 meters, and the list goes on. We're going to do a review on that, so don't worry about it. But hey, this is pretty cool. Anyway, guys, that's kind of it. It's kind of the basis of everything. We're just trying to get, I was asked the question of, what do you have in your Jeep? What kit items do you have in your Jeep? And these are things that I have with me typically all the time. I still carry a notebook and pen in my pocket. Do I want to do the Two Tip Tuesday on that one? Probably not. But if it comes up, just know that it's something I carry in the Jeep. The other side of things is there are some specialty items, like if you remember from last week, the seatbelt cutter and window or glass breaker. Huge benefit across the board, right, when you're in a vehicle. Again, some of it may apply to a Jeep, some of it may apply to a vehicle, and that's what I'm trying to bring into it, is what do I put in my wife's van? What do I ask my daughter to put in her vehicle? What do I ask my son to put in his vehicle? What types of things are in the vehicle that, again, increases your survivability and helps you to self-rescue if need be? So there's that information, right? All right, guys, so that's it. That's all there is to it. Very short, very sweet. Love doing these because it's just quick. It's very quick and easy, and I actually feel that it's bringing value. But I want you to put a comment down below. Is this valuable information? Is it better than the ones we do outside? Is it better than the ones we did in the woods? Is it better than anything else I've ever done in my entire life? That's up for you to decide. Is it bringing value to you, even if it's not better than the rest? Anyway, let me know. Drop a comment down below. Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell for the notifications. Thanks for all you do. Your likes, comments, subscribes, and shares. Don't forget to check us out on InstinctSurvivalist.com. Why? Because we are revamping, we are updating, we are doing a lot of things there, and links to all the other social sites are there as well. Trying to very much increase the productivity coming out of there, bringing more value in another method or another platform for you to check out. Anyway, guys, thanks again for everything. Until then, use your instincts to survive. Thanks for watching. It's a hiccup burp. Thanks for watching.